Hey everybody, it's Ed at Flip Sharks here. In today's video blog, how to use your IRA to buy real estate in Eugene, part 1. So we talk a lot about baby boomers and Generation Xers, and at this point in your life, you still might be thinking about how to invest for your retirement. One increasingly popular way is to put your money into a self-directed IRA. With a self-directed IRA, you get complete control of that game. You are in charge of how your money is invested, all while receiving the benefits of an IRA. So keep watching, and we're going to explain how to deal with a self-directed IRA here in Eugene. So what is a self-directed IRA? A self-directed IRA is an investment vehicle that puts you in control of where your money goes. You get to choose to invest in either stocks, bonds, precious metals, real estate, mutual funds, and many other unique investment choices. So many people are attracted to the freedom that a self-directed IRA allows. You will be able to make tax-deductible contributions and defer any earnings that you receive. Many people prefer the freedom of a self-directed IRA to other investment options. How do you set up a self-directed IRA? So you need to shop around and you need to interview different custodian services. They are the ones that hold your assets on your behalf, and it's important that you carefully weigh out all your options. Your custodian will help process all the transactions and make records as required by law. They will also help you with the IRS reporting, as well as many other administrative tasks associated with the IRA fund. Your custodian will help to advise you, keeping you from making investments that are prohibited. There's quite a few lists of prohibited items, so you need to make sure that you're aware of what those are. So what are the benefits? Let's get to the meat and potatoes of this. You'll often hear the phrase checkbook control, which basically means you have the freedom to invest your money as you choose. Investing in something new is as simple as writing a check. You choose what you want to invest, from real estate to stocks to bonds or precious metals. You get to choose the investment. There are many tax benefits when you put your money into an IRA. So over time, you can defer your taxes and you see tax-free profits on your investment. In addition, the fees associated with a self-directed IRA are typically lower than that of a traditional retirement account. So what are the risks? Upon withdrawal from the IRA, the money becomes taxable. You will want to strategize this with your custodian to avoid any major tax penalties. Another risk is when it's time to sell. You might have to wait longer than you would like. It can be tough to liquefy some assets in a timely manner. Just like a standard IRA, there are rules and prohibited transactions you must avoid. You can never write checks for personal reasons or make investments that are prohibited. So how does this compare to other investments? Well, on average, real estate often produces some of the highest and most consistent returns. When real estate is targeted to the right types of properties, real estate will almost always outperform the stock market. This makes it a surefire way to invest your money. The old saying goes, most millionaires got that way through real estate. And while this might not be as true today, many of the world's richest people made their money from real estate investments. So the strongest portfolios will offer a diversified group of investments. This is the beauty of a self-directed IRA. You can have a highly diversified portfolio that is secured by real property, and you get to make the choices of what you like to buy. Before making any property investments, you should seek the advice of your lawyer and financial planner. Speak to your accountant and learn about the specific tax implications of your situation. So if you want to learn more about using a self-directed IRA to invest in Eugene or other real estate, we can definitely help you out. Just send us a quick message. Give us a call today at 541-780-2424, or just jump on our website at www.flipsharks.com